Hi everyone, in this tutorial for Canva, we are going to learn how to explore the different templates that are available for you as educators. So when you go into your Canva home screen, as long as you are logged into your school account, you will see the options up here that offer templates that are divided by different types of categories. Now you can come in here and under education, you can look at the variety of options. But the best way that I like to search is on your home page to search for your content on Canva. So if you are looking for a vocabulary worksheet, you can simply come in here and you can search for vocabulary, and you can start to see the different types of designs that have already been created. You can narrow them down by whether it's a worksheet, a flashcard, like the type of document that has been created. And then when you find a design or a template that you like, all you have to do is click on it, and then it's fully customizable to meet your needs. So you can look for anything from worksheets to lesson plan templates to presentations for your classroom, all by quickly searching in the top search bar of your Canva.